Today we're trying to showcase that we can help our clients deploy Industry 4.0 solutions and put them into practice. So we're basically trying to move away from clients that are taking a modular approach with individual solutions and trying to be that person that can offer the whole solution. So we're trying to sort of help clients from shop floor to top floor, whether it's the PLC systems, the cyber security, the industrial networks, or the OEE and the MES systems on the enterprise level. We're working with them to do cyber security risk assessments, functional safety design risk assessments, and trying to implement the whole solution, not just an individual module. At Fairfields, we're trying to help our clients adapt to Industry 4.0 by helping them to implement the whole solution. So we're working with them at specification level to understand the cybersecurity implications, safety implications, and helping them specify a solution before anyone turns up at site with any kit or starts to specify individual products. So we're working with them to do the cybersecurity risk assessments and understand what is the tolerable risk and the functional safety and what performance levels do we need to work to. Following that, then we work with them to design the systems and actually supply the control systems and the industrial networks. From my point of view, Industry 4.0 has been adopted in a modular sort of way. Lots of people are taking on certain elements of Industry 4.0, certain parts of it and certain products. They're not implementing a whole Industry 4.0 solution. And that's what we're trying to do today at the show. We're trying to showcase that we can help them do that. We can help them implement a whole solution from shop floor to top floor.